So you want to be a filmmaker or an editor, or you're not sure what you want to be yet. After that, you should start browsing the internet for information on how to become a good editor and filmmaker. And you might come across in the advertisement of some courses and decide to buy because you think they will help you accomplish your goals. And that's how I ended up here. Today I want to share my journey of investing 50k in various filmmaking and video editing course, and what I have learned investing in that courses I will tell in this video. And first thing, you need to determine that whether we should invest this much amount of money in courses or not. The answer is very simple, and the personal opinion is no. Don't invest that much amount of money in courses, but do invest in the courses if you want to know the basic of everything. Here's why. I've been learning video editing in the past 3 years, and for the past 2 years I learned everything from YouTube. It took me 2 years to understand the basic concept in video editing. Now I'm struggling in learning in the skill of color grading and how to shoot that scene to get that color. It's very frustrating. I'm not able to understand how to get that color, skin tone, and many more. For that I took a course, and you can never imagine it took me 2 years to understand the basic concept in color grading, color correction. And the reason is that the content in YouTube is spread all over the internet, but in courses, all the courses in the single panel, and you can search anything and ask question to that teacher. However, some courses not worth of money, but some courses are. And here the lesson I learned through these courses. My first lesson is filmmaking is not just about capturing the great visuals. It's about storytelling. Learning the fundamental in storytelling has been crucial in elevating my skill in filmmaking, and it helps me to allow to connect with my audience on a deeper level. And same goes for the editing also. Lesson second, mastering the technical aspect. You should know the technical aspect of filmmaking, from camera setting to lighting tricks, and from shooting to editing that specific video has changed my approach in every way. Creating an appropriate atmosphere and making each scene visually captivating are crucial in understanding the editing aspects. And the lesson 3 is the perfect art of editing videos. If you enjoyed till here, please subscribe this video and spread to the people who is learning the filmmaking and video editing journey. Editing is where magics happen. Through these courses, I have learned how to piece a scene together seamlessly and enhancing the overall narrative flow. It's about making every frame count and shaping a powerful storytelling experience. And the last lesson is have patience and keep calm. Filmmaking is a journey that's filled with highs and lows. These courses have taught me the importance of staying patient and persevertive through setbacks. Every obstacle is an opportunity to in a way of career. So do not just sit back if you don't have a client. Just improve your skill, and when you get the chance, do it. And if you got confused which courses you should be buy, let me introduce to Tomorrow Filmmaker, which is the best filmmaking course which teach from basic to advanced. And for editing videos, you can select any top rated video in Udemy and learn it. And so please choose the courses carefully. Despite all of this, you need to earn money, and how much money I made it in 3 months, you could watch this video or subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.